Scroll if you love the devil, but if you love Jesus, stay and listen. Imagine taking your last breath tonight. Where will you go? Heaven isn't for good people, it's for forgiven people. I am the way. If you don't have Jesus, you have no way. This might be your last chance to choose me. Listen now, if you know Jesus is the only way, don't keep him to yourself. Share this video with your family and friends now. Don't let fear stop you from sharing Jesus. Let God use you to reach souls before it's too late. You've been searching for peace in the wrong places. You've tried to numb the pain, but it keeps coming back. I am the peace you've been searching for. I can heal you and give you a fresh start, if you let me in. Send this to someone who needs hope. Type Jesus, save me in the comments if you're ready for me to lead your life. As you share, I pray God's mercy, healing, and divine favor over your life. Amen.